Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trek north on U.S. Highway 11 in Middlesex Township, Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. We begin at mile 51, and here the highway is locally named Harrisburg Pike, as we're just a few miles away from Harrisburg, the capital city of Pennsylvania. Note that at the very end of our last video, we had just crossed the Pennsylvania Turnpike, which is also I-76. Just ahead is a junction with I-81, and you'll notice a lot of truck traffic along this short stretch of highway, as well as a number of motels, gas stations, truck stops, and other businesses catering to truckers. There is no direct junction between the two interstates, so any traffic wanting to move from one to the other has to travel this part of US 11 just under a mile to make that connection. Overhead, the Appalachian Trail crosses US 11, and we enter Silver Spring Township, with a population of 19,557 as of the 2020 census. The township is spread out over an area of 32.8 square miles. Many major retail shopping developments are located in Silver Spring Township here along US 11. The local name of US 11 here becomes Carlisle Pike. We enter New Kingstown, an unincorporated census-designated place with a population of 709 as of the 2020 census. We enter the unincorporated community of Hoagstown, and here the highway temporarily splits into a one-way pair with businesses and residential housing units in between each side of US 11. This is something we often see in dense downtown areas, but not typically in a less urban setting like this. The community, which is now considered to be part of nearby Mechanicsburg, was the birthplace of John and William Hoag in the 1760s, who each went on to serve in the U.S. House of Representatives. We conclude today's video here at mile 58. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.